This gig came from going door to door. So last time I was in Kalispell, I was doing a gig for an apartment complex. And while I was there, I had a half a day to just tour around Kalispell. So I grabbed my business cards and I made my rounds to, I would say, 10 or 15 different businesses. One of them was Baby Outfitters on the main drag of Kalispell, and they said, you need to go to our secondary location and talk to the owner of these two locations. And as soon as I got there, she was so cheerful and her team were so great, and they were talking about how, Caricatures would be perfect for the grand reopening ceremony. You don't know where you're going to get gigs, so stop assuming that doing walk-ins isn't going to get you a gig, because that is exactly what this gig is doing for me. That is exactly what walking around on your free time is going to do. And if you want to succeed at something, you have to go past your comfort levels to do that. So take the time. Though I hate sales, though I'm not good at sales, I am not a salesperson. I'm not going to try and talk you into a pitch. It's beneficial to at least introduce yourself. The reason why I'm getting business is because people know who I am now. If I don't go to them and tell them, hey, I'm a caricaturist for hire, they'll never know. I'll never get the business and I'll go bankrupt. That's about the simple fact of it. So, always introduce yourself as the caricature artist. Always introduce your business. Always push yourself out there. Don't do it in a snooty salesman way. I've taken the salesman classes and courses. They have their place, but the beauty of what I do as Montana's Kingpin of Caricature is I simply walk into a business and say, if you have a need, I can fulfill. Here's my business card. Here's my pamphlet. I have a little one-piece bit of information that has a discount on it for first-time buyers. And it works well for me. Now, I wouldn't say I have a lot of gigs. This month is one of the better months for me that I've had in a while. May has been very reasonable for me in multiple facets of my job as a caricaturist and videographer. But the reality is you don't know where the money's going to come from next, so take the time to try it all. Try it all, network, do what you can do to get yourself out there. If no one knows who you are, nothing's going to happen. That's as simple as it is. The magic ether of our universe is not going to get you business. You must do the legwork.